How to clear Safari cache. So go ahead and open your settings application. In here, scroll down and find Safari. Tap on it. After that, you should scroll down to the very bottom of the page to be able to go to the advanced settings. Once you're in the page of the advanced settings, just tap on website data. In here, you'll see the saved cache for the different website that you've visited. You'll be able to delete cache on select websites by swiping left on the website and tapping the delete button that will appear on the right side. If the website you're looking for didn't appear here, then you have to tap on show all sites and scroll down to look for it. But of course, you also have the option to remove all of the website data by scrolling all the way to the bottom and tapping on remove all website data button. A pop-up will appear at the bottom, so just tap on the remove now button. That will clear all of the cache in the Safari browser. Also, you can clear all history and website data in one click by going back to the Safari settings. You'll see here, highlighted in blue, the clear history and website data option. So just tap on that, tap clear history and data on the pop-up, and after that, just select if you want to close or keep the tabs that are currently open. So that is how to clear Safari cache. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.